Clyde Drexler. My uncle met Clyde Drexler.
Huh?
My uncle met Clyde Drexler. You're a fucking retard. Stop playing, bitch.
He said, hi, Joe.
Fuck
Hi,
you.
Joe. His feet.
Why the fuck did he shoot? That's a retard.
Fuck you, nigga.
What?
What?
What's that?
I was talking to you. Oh, Joe's playing his video game. See? Joe's playing video game. What is he playing? NBA Street Baller. Ballin'. Look at alley-oop. Oh! Joe's gay. He's a fucking flavor. Homo. Gay. Like that. Gay. Homo. Homo. Faggot. Retarded faggot. He's gay. Right, Joe? Right, Joe?
Oh. Oh my gosh. I just lost this game.